Ever feel constantly tired, even when you get enough sleep? Well, the secret might not be what you think. You are not tired because of bad mood. You are not tired because of health issues. The real reason is that your daily activities don't bring you joy in the moment. When you don't enjoy what you do, it leads to burnout and exhaustion. But here's the key. To stay energized, be focused and motivated, you need just love the process. You can only sustain quality work and energy when you genuinely enjoy what you are doing. Also, keep things fresh. Introducing new boosts your dopamine and keeps you motivated and excited about life. Because when you're stuck in some wage cage in the office, there is no new, there is no motivation, there is no dopamine, and there is no life there. So do what you like to do. Do what you're born to do. And of course, you need to control your hormones, because without testosterone and without good dopamine level, you will not be able to have enjoy from life. And there is no results without long quality work. And long quality work is only possible when you love the process.